The true mark of a progressive community is the quality of its educational system and its educators. In Decatur, we believe that learning is a habit that becomes a lifelong passion. Our public school system includes 12 elementary schools, 3 junior highs, and 2 high schools which serve 8,800 students. We also have 5 private and parochial schools. 2 provide instruction for grades K through 12. The focus on the quality of education is very strong in Decatur. The percentage of students going on to post-high school education is above the national average, as are the test scores of our students. Our teachers are highly trained and many are nationally board certified. Decatur is the only Alabama city with a K-12 International Baccalaureate program. The program encourages students to be hands-on learners and engaged world citizens. Decatur also is the only school district in the world to implement the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Decatur's robotics teams frequently win state awards. Parents are actively involved in the schools and are joined by many of the businesses and industries located in the city. Decatur's spending per student is one of the highest in the state and higher than many places in the nation. Access to great educational opportunities is one more reason why Decatur is a great place to live.